let's discuss the direct variation. If varies directly as Q and F equal to 36 and Q equal to 6, find the F when Q equal to 12. So the F is missing. We need to find F when Q equal to 12. So let's first write the formula. F equal to KQ, where K equal to F over 9. Substitute property of equality. So what is the value of X? That is 36. Substitute 36 equal K. Value of Q is 16. So multiply by 6. Then 36 is 6K divided both side by 6. Cancel out by 6. So bring down the K, and 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. So nakuha na natin ang 6, ang constant of variation, which is K is the constant of variation. So babalik na naman tayo sa equation. F is equal to question mark, then Q is equal to 12. F, substitute property of equation pa rin yung K. Yung K ang pinalitan lang ng value ng K, 6 times 12. Dahil yung 12 yung value ng Q natin, i-multiply mo yung 12 times 6, so lalabas niyan is 72. Ang value natin sa F is 72. Inverse variation. If y varies inversely as x squared and y equals to 11 and x equals to 6, find y when x equals to 4. So the y is missing, so we need to find y when x equals to 4. So let's first write the formula of inverse. So the formula of inverse variation is K equals to y times where y equals to K over x, where x is the constant of variation. So substitute property of equality. So ang K, ang una natin kailangan, so una natin siyang kukunin, K equals to 11. Substitute 11. Dahil may x squared dito, lalagyan din natin ng 6x squared multiply by 11. K equals to 11. Ang x squared ng 6 is, then multiply mo lang yung 11 times 36. So K equals to 396. So babalik na naman tayo sa equation. So y equals to K over x. So dito ang value ng x natin is 4. Multiply 396 divide 396 divide 4 is equals to 99. So y equals to 99. So y natin ay 99. Joint variation. O varies jointly as P and R. O equals to 80 and P equals to 2 and R equals to 10. Find O when P equals to 4 and R equals to 6. So O is missing. We're going to find O when P equals to 4 and when R equals to 6. So let's write the formula. O KPR, where K equals to O over PR. So substituting property of equality. So the value of O equals to 80. So replace 80 is equals to K. Value of P 2 multiplied by 2, value of R 10 multiplied by 10. So 80 bring down equal 2 times 2 equals 10 times K. So equals to 20K. Divide both sides to 20. 20 divided by 20 is K. Bring down the K. 80 divided by 20 equals 4. So back in equation, O is equals to KPR. So we need to find O. K is equals to 4, where the constant of our variation. So I'll replace the K with her value. So 4, what is the value of P? 4 multiplied by 4. Value of R 6 multiply replacement substitute 4 times 4 24 times 4 24 times 4 16 carry 1 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 9. So the value of our O is 96. Confined variation. Z varies directly as x and inversely as y, and z equals to 9 when x equals to 6 and y equals to 2. Find z when x equals to 8 and y equals to 4. So the missing on there is z. We're going to find the z when z equals to x and when y equals to 4. So first let's write the equation. Z equals to kx over y. So the constant of the variation is k. What is the value of z? 9. We're going to replace it with 9. 9 is equal to 6k. The value of our x is 6. Multiply by x, 6k. The value of y is 2. So divided by 2. Multiply the 9 times 2 is equal to, bring down the 6, and 6k bring down. So 9 times 2, 18. 18 is equals to 6k. 18 can divide by 6. K is equal to 18 divided by 6. As the answer is 3. Our constant of variation is 3. Z equals 3x over y. So what is the value of our k? So 3 reflects 8. Substitute. So what is the value of our x? 8. Value of our y 4. 3 times 8 is equal to 24 and divide by 4. So 24 divided by 4 equals to 6. Z equal to 6